Hello everyone, welcome back to the winter challenge. Yesterday there was no winter challenge because it was raining. Today it was raining all morning, but just before the sun is gonna go down, it cleared up. So I'm out here at this playground where there are no children because it's at a school and they're out of school right now. So we're gonna fly around here and see what happens. So remember, if you guys are liking these videos, please like them and get subscribed so that you don't miss all of the upcoming winter challenge videos and all the other things I have planned over this next month. So enjoy the flight and thanks for watching.
I know you're naive, but you know that you got sugar under your skin. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you know that you're young, and I know